Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file Form 1099-B on Cash App. First, it's important to understand that Form 1099-B reports capital gains and losses from investments, like those you might have through Cash App. Cash App makes these tax documents available to you electronically. You can easily access and download your necessary tax forms directly within the application, simplifying your tax preparation process significantly. To get your Form 1099-B, open your Cash App and head to the Investing section. Look for a menu option or link specifically labeled for tax documents or statements. Once you find it, you should see your available tax forms. Select Form 1099-B and download it, typically as a PDF file, so you can save it to your device or print it out for your records. Once you have your Form 1099-B, carefully review the details. Pay close attention to the sales proceeds and the cost basis for each transaction, as these are crucial for calculating your gains or losses. It's also important to distinguish between short-term and long-term capital gains or losses, as they are taxed differently. Always double-check that all reported transactions are accurate and match your records. When you're ready to file, you'll typically enter the information from your Form 1099-B into your preferred tax software or provide it to your tax preparer. Capital gains and losses are generally reported on Schedule D of Form 1040. If your tax situation is complex, or if you have any questions about specific entries, it's always a good idea to consult with a qualified tax professional for personalized advice.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.